I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who hurt my...
So where are we? What's the name of the park?
I have no idea.
Oh, no. Do you have the list?
Of course, here. Boston Freedom Trail.
Freedom Trail?
Parkman Branson Park.
Okay. How we call it in English? Labyrinth? That's kind of cool. I don't know. I think you can enter from there.
Getting all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
We met Jadek right there, so the old man started to talk to us and he was so cute. It turned out he has Polish roots and we're in the neighborhood right now checking out the... This is a little bit creepy, but yeah, checking out like how the people lives here. And that's the Bacon Hill, okay. And that's Jadek! Oh my god, look at him. He's so cute. Do you want to be on my video as a memory?
Oh.
Yeah? Hi, say
I
your
don't
name.
have my hair person. I don't have my makeup.
Oh, stop it. You look amazing. What's your name? Victor. You have even Polish name.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. It was nice to meet you. We got
Thanks
some
so
brochures
much.
here. That's so nice of you. First school for black children, first church built by 3 black people. That's amazing. We didn't even know that this part of the city has that history. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Boston. It's the second day. I didn't record any introduction yesterday, even though I thought I recorded, but no, I never pressed the record button. So yeah, just want to welcome you in Boston. It's the first time me being in Boston as a cabin crew. Yeah, I've been here when I was an au pair in the US, so I see all of those touristic places already. But anyway, what we did yesterday, we went for a walk to downtown, to the park, to that Bacon Street or Bacon District area. Not sure about the names, you know that I'm bad in names. Yeah, that's how it was yesterday. I went out with Evelina. She's my colleague from work. I met her on board yesterday. She's Polish as well, and she wanted to see all of those places because she's never been here. So yeah, I went with her. Yeah, the weather is not the best right now because it's rainy, cloudy, cold. So yeah, when we were coming back yesterday, it was super cold. So because I'm a little bit sick still, and I was for like last month, to be honest, I was not recording anything, so I'm slowly coming back to it. So I'm really sorry if I'm like not really comfortable in front of the camera or whatever, like talking to you. Different story when I record, you know, places. I'm slowly trying to come back to it, and yeah, record more for you guys. I still have like 7 videos to edit, but yeah, I think today, because we have really rainy weather today, we only have like 3 or 4 hours of gap when there won't be any rain, so I want to use it. I want to go out, I want to have a walk, I want to go do some shopping, groceries as well. I think I'm gonna talk to you later, guys. Yeah, when I come back to the room, I'll show you what did I buy and how was it, but for now, just enjoy the footages from yesterday. Influencer. She has a profile on Instagram as well. So she's doing all of the videos. She's more doing Instagram than YouTube. We're walking right now to the downtown. I was about to do shopping only, but later she started to talk about the library. We'll try to buy an umbrella and we'll see later about the weather. That's us! When we were coming back yesterday, it was pretty with the lights on. We're slowly getting closer to the downtown. In the US,
That's don't.
sometimes, yeah, you pass the street when there is a red hand, like that tells you that basically you cannot cross the street. But whenever you see that there is no cars, then you take the opportunity to just pass the street. That's how it works here, because it's super busy on the streets usually. She wants to go to the real burger, oh, like this one place, like Five Guys with the hats on and really like fast food. So we came to Primark. We need to buy an umbrella. I'm thinking about taking the scarf as well because it's really cold outside and I don't want to get sick. I'm already sick. I just don't want to get worse. Anyway, they have good stuff here, like a lot of stuff. Hey girl, I bought myself a scarf and an umbrella, and that's it. We're going right now to the library. I think this is a cinema. Not sure, not 100% sure, but looks nice. We're heading to Chinatown right now. So yeah, I think it's gonna be somewhere here. I think it's just the start, the beginning. So yeah, that's me saying that I'm not gonna go anywhere else rather than shopping. I went with her and then she told me that she's going to that. Anyway, we wanted to go to Chinatown on our way, but then later she said that she's going to that Boston library, and I checked out the pictures and it's really huge, beautiful one. So yeah. Oh, that's where we're heading right now. I think we're gonna walk around the Chinatown right now and then we're gonna see. It's not far. I think it's like 20 minutes away. What about the Chinatown? Is that it?
No idea.
Okay. I think in every US city there is Chinatown. I'm just guessing. I'm not sure about that, but I've been to a few of them. That's the med school. We're going to Panera Bread. Like, that's the place where I usually would go, like when I used to live in the US. And I would spend my weekends in New York. I would go to Panera just like to grab tea, lemonade, salad, I don't know, sandwich. But yeah, it's not an expensive place, but with a good food. You can use this computer and then order something, and then you can pick up your orders there. I'll just grab some hot tea. That's the library we're going to. So I'm all cozy now. I got my tea from Panera. Panera is like one of my favorite place in US. And yeah, I have my new umbrella and scarf from Primark, so I'm ready to explore. And behind me, we have Boston Public Library. Right now we are in the area where like there is a different architecture, like an old one, like, you know, the castle, whatever theme, right here and right there on the other side. huge. The masks are required inside, but outside you don't need to wear it. And here are the opening hours for the library. It looks mystery, like from Harry Potter. So you have the brochures right here if you wanna visit the library. So it tells you where to go, how it looks, and about the history and all of that. With Evelina, she just wanted to explore area more, and I wanted to come back because it's getting cold. This is the church that I had on my way. I don't know if it's open or not. It's on the Newbury Berkeley Street. Hi guys, so it's the third day here in Boston. Actually today I stayed in, I worked a little bit on my computer, I edited some videos from the past, like from June. I have so many, it takes a lot of time to upload any on my channel and to edit. Because actually I don't have troubles with recording the videos, but I have troubles with editing and spending my time in front of the computer. But anyway, guys, I wanted to show you a bit like what did I buy yesterday. So here's the frame with the picture, inhale, exhale, candle, candle, candles, more candles, Buddha thing, umbrella, and hyaluronic acid because I use it on my dry hair. I'm sorry. All of those stuffs I bought in Primark. I also bought a scarf and a jacket. All of that I bought because the weather was really bad and I was actually outside for the last 2 days. I was doing sightseeing and like walking around the city. It was pretty cool experience to come back to Boston. I really love the city and architecture and the vibe of the city. I really enjoyed last 2 days when I was out. I was doing sightseeing thing, walking around the city. It was really good to come back to Boston and see that this beautiful city is still alive and like, I mean, still alive. Like, you know, the vibe, like to feel the vibe of the city, that people were dancing on the streets, singing, playing music out loud, and yeah, even with the weather like that. So I don't know, it's kind of good to be back with the layovers and having the opportunity to explore the world. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this layover. It was a good one. Today I stayed in, like I said, I wanted to recover a bit. When I come back to Dubai, I have 4 days off, so right now I'm getting ready for my flight back to Dubai. I didn't sleep before the flight, before the wake-up call, and I woke up today at 6 a.m. because of the difference of time. But anyway, we're gonna have break on board, so it's not the worst. But yeah, I think that's it for the vlog. Guys, I know that I do not upload, you know, I'm not a proper vlogger or anything, but for those who are still watching my videos, thank you so much. I hope you like this one, and yeah, I hope you're gonna stay with me for more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Please follow me also on Instagram. You will have that name somewhere here. Bye.